United we fall. Divided we stand against the wall of sound, drifting into the hall of noise. I can hardly hear myself say what I need to say, nor what I shouldn't. But perhaps there is a saving grace in this space, the towering inferno of solitude and silence. Yet sounds travel through the walls and halls, benedictions that eventually become corrupted by exposure, pure and simple. To be free in that space and time, to connect to I don't know what, and more concretely, what do I know? An ideal for living? If so, I embrace it, and that beyond the symbols. This is my ideal to embrace, in as well as outspoken, even in complete silence and darkness. A special kind of magic for those sensitive enough to know what's right and wrong, and knowledgeable enough to feel what's good and bad. Not that it matters in the long run, but the run is so long we won't live to see it through anyway. So I guess it really is my way or the highway. Never shall the twain meet. I quote, what do I know? Well, I do know a thing or two about what's good and bad, and that allows me to feel what's right and wrong. No need to condescend the staircase of human interactions, but I rest assured it's a matter of duty first and foremost, noblesse oblige, until the end of time, or at least until the end of our understanding of it. This may be imminent, and we should make no mistake in the illusory realization that united we fall, divided we stand. Better yet, to sit down and look at the sky through the small window in this tower of delights. Outside the circles of time, yet inside the squares of space.